Hi Krisha,
Hi Gayatri, how are you?
I'm good, yeah. How are you?
I'm great. So I've been hearing this word in I think daily vocabulary a lot these days, and I think it's also become a part of social interaction. FOMO, fear of missing out.
Yeah,
What do you think about it?
yeah. I know. I've also started to hear this so often, and it's become part of the daily lingo. So actually, if you look at our lives these days, we have all the information of the world in our palm through this beautiful device called the mobile phone. So any information that we want to access across the globe, wherever it is, can be accessed in just like a click or a tap. Touch of your finger to your phone screen. And with this, what has happened that slowly, gradually, we have become more information hungry. We want to know more and more and more about more and more things. And in fact, these days, what happens is that in case you're having a conversation with a friend or somebody at work, wherever, you hear them say ki, let's say they are talking about a particular topic, and if you are not aware about it, they might just go and ask you whether you know about this. And in case the answer is no, the immediate reaction that you get from them that, hey, you don't know this? How come you don't know this? So when somebody says this to us now, the moment what happens is that we receive this force, we receive this energy from this person, and you start to think. You start to think that what is wrong with me? How come I do not know about this? And this kind of leads us into thinking about this whole idea that I should have all the information. It's humanly not really possible to have all the information, but slowly, gradually, as this information is becoming accessible to us, we are also going into this phase that I want to have more.
And what do you think could cause this? Like, what could cause people to experience this deep ingrained fear? Like, why would do you think to some extent someone is absolutely not enjoying anything that they're doing, but they're probably only doing it because they're living in this fear of missing out?
So, Krisha, fear inherently is not bad. Fear is very much part of the human makeup. In fact, fear helps us. If fear is, seen from that perspective, fear helps us in self-preservation. When you are stuck in a situation where it's a threat to your life, automatically one goes into a state of fight or flight, right? We have all heard this. So fear inherently isn't bad. Problem is when fear overtakes all our actions. So when we are acting, if we are acting it out of fear for no reason, I mean there's no threat to our life, but you're still acting out of fear, that's where the problem starts. And that fear should not direct our actions. So yeah, and that leads to what you're just saying, that people do things but they are not really enjoying it because they are doing it out of a fear that I should know this, I should probably be doing this, and if I do not do this, or if I don't gain this experience, I don't gain this information, then I'm going to be left out.
I think it just sounds like a major driving force in one's life at this point. How do you think one can overcome it?
Yeah. So I'll give an example, Krisha. Let's say it's really hot right now anyways. So if let's say we go and buy an ice cream, and when we go to buy an ice cream, there are so many flavors, right? These days there are anyways so many flavors of ice cream. And we have to choose one, so we pick one flavor of ice cream. Now we have this one flavor of ice cream in our hand, and we are waiting, and we are, we're gonna start eating this flavor. But in our mind, what's happening is that we're constantly thinking of that, oh, I could have picked up another flavor, I could have taken something else, and so on. So in this moment, what is happening is that this ice cream which I have in my hand is slowly melting away. So while I'm thinking of what I do not have, I'm also missing out on what I have right now. So if one really thinks about it, what are we fearing about? We are fearing about not being somewhere else, not being at that party, not being with our friends at that point of time, and we are feeling that FOMO within that, oh my God, I'm missing out on this, I'm missing out on life, I'm missing out on so many things. But hey, what I have right now is also important. And this moment once gone, we all know, time once gone never comes back. So I'm also missing out on this moment and this time. And that's something we need to think about. So yeah, this moment is not going to come back, and this, rather than being in the FOMO of where you're not, let's eat that ice cream which we have in our hand right now.
Thank you for that example. I think that was really relatable and fun, but it also gave me a lot of insight into what FOMO actually is and why it could be a major driving factor for a lot of people to,
Yeah.
do things that they don't want to do. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Krisha. Lovely talking to you.
Same here.